How to fold a mask tight fitting with your face. Your mask helps protect those around you. Masks are a very simple barrier to help prevent your respiratory droplets from reaching others. Studies show that masks reduce the spread of droplets when worn over the nose and mouth. You should wear a mask even if you do not feel sick. What is the proper way to wear a mask to help prevent COVID? The colored side of the mask is usually the front and should face away from you, while the white side touches your face. Clean your hands before you put mask on as well as before and after you take it off and after you touch it anytime. If this is your first time to my channel, subscribe and click the bell icon for new updates.